Welcome back to another video. I don't know what happened to the audio on this clip, but I'm just going to explain it real quick. Recently I did some work on this buggy. Obviously he had a little accident. I'm going to do some fiberglass repair, repaint, do some more airbrush on top of the work that's already existing, and paint it back out and give it to the customer. So without too much being said, I'm just going to go ahead and get started on the job. Okay, first I start by grinding and cutting away any of the fractured fiberglass around the damaged area. As you can see, I had to cut away a good bit of fiberglass because the damage extended far beyond the repair area. After a little bit of cleanup, I go ahead and lay this aluminum tape down for the fiberglass to have a little bridge to lay on. Here, I'm going ahead and laying down about 3 layers of fiberglass on the back side of this hood to give it a little bit of strength on the back side. Then I'll flip it over again and put some fiberglass on the top side. Right here, I'm making a channel for the fiberglass to lay into. I go ahead and use Tiger here, long strand fiberglass resin, just to fill in any low spots, so the fiberglass will have a nice even area to lay on. Okay, so here I'm laying about 2 more layers of fiberglass in that little channel that I just cut out. So now the fiberglass is laying below the painted area, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and grind out the fiberglass and leave a surface that's still below the painted area where I can go and do my body filler. Here you can see I left enough room for the fiberglass filler to fill in that space. After a quick sand down, go ahead and put the thinner body filler over this where I could get a nice even surface. I'm just gonna sand the crap out of it. And this is the finished product before I go ahead and water sand get ready for a flatter surface. And now she's ready for paint. Put a few coats of darker primer on top so the lighter under layer does not show through the paint above. Here I'm just going to mask off the artwork. Now here I did 2 coats over the work area, and then I did a final coat that I did not show in the video over the whole entire hood. I just misted it, so you could hardly see it, but it's there. The line that you're seeing now, you don't see it in the final product. So that's all for the major work. Right now I'm just getting prepped for the airbrush. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave you right here to enjoy the rest of the video. If you like the video so far, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.